Introducing Dazz 3D, the most advanced yet affordable 2K LCD SLA 3D printer. Higher printing quality, faster printing speed, and super user-friendly controls. Dazz 3D was designed to be the best LCD SLA 3D printer for everyone. With the 2K resolution LCD screen, Dazz 3D achieves an XY axis resolution of 47 micrometers, the Z axis resolution of 10 micrometers. Thanks to its unique dual liner slides design, Dazz 3D can print a super stable status and ensure the reliability. What's more, the powerful motor to drive the Z axis allows Dazz 3D to achieve a fast printing speed, up to 36 millimeters per hour. Besides the great printing parameters, Dazz 3D is also built to upgrade the 3D printing experiences. Dazz 3D is the desktop 3D printer built with an air purification system. It will eliminate all the 3D printing air emissions, ultrafine particles, and unpleasant odors, and provide healthy and safe 3D printing environment. Dazz 3D supports a building size up to 120 millimeters by 68 millimeters by 150 millimeters. When printing the large models, its auto resin system will make it more convenient to refill the resins to the tank. No matter you are a beginner or a pro, you'll find Dazz 3D is super easy to use. You can use the cable, USB drive, or Wi-Fi connections to get started. With a 7-inch screen on its body, control and check the printing process is very intuitive for everyone. To make it even more easier for you, we offer free slicer program and share customized model files on our community. Just simply drag the files into the slicer and click the button. You'll get everything set for print. We truly believe that 3D printing is the future for many industries, and we want to make high-quality 3D printing available for everyone. No matter you are working on prototyping, jewelry design, dental studies, sculpting, education, or just printing for fun, Dazz 3D can be a great help for you. Support us today and let's make the vision come true.